front. Why are you honking, bro? I'm about to stop.
When we come back to this area.
She said that her name is Mia. Tú eres mía y mía nada más. Yeah, you know que te quiero de más. Tú sabes, mami, todo me importa. Y conoce mi familia. Tú eres mía y mía nada más. Tú eres mía y mía nada más. Tú eres mía y mía nada más.
¿Qué es lo que es, JD familia? Y todo por allá. ¿Por qué todo por aquí? Estamos bien. Hey, ¿qué es lo que mi gente? What's up, JD fam? I missed you guys, but I can't really talk right now because my family's probably sweating in the car waiting for me because I couldn't find the speaker, but I finally because I'm up to no good. So anyways, guys, I'm about to be putting this in the trunk with the baby bag and all of that, and we're gonna see how my family reacts to random beeping sounds. Whew. Let's go, guys. I hope this works. Let's open the trunk, please. Huh?
Are you recording?
No. Of course I'm recording. Oh shit, guys. Oh my gosh. I was so excited to tell you guys what was going on and I didn't even make sure. ¿Qué lo que? Wagwan. Hey, ¿qué lo que? Wagwan. Hey. See? I missed you guys. Did you guys miss that?
Facts, guys. We had to take some time off, guys. We are sorry, guys. We are back to vlogging. We are back to doing challenges.
It's been a
minute.
It's been a while.
It's been like, I think the last time I posted a video on our channel was 8 or 9 days ago.
Yeah.
It's been about 2 weeks. We had to take some time off, guys.
Yeah.
Like, we're only human, you know what I mean? We are human too. We have a life. We have beautiful children. The kids are starting school. So, you know, we gotta get back. Babe, can you hold the camera still,
my
bro?
arm.
You want to be a vlogger and you can't hold the camera up? Come on, dog. You got to get in the gym.
You know,
you got to work
look
out.
who's talking. I worked out yesterday and
you guys see this?
didn't
I'm
work out for a
solid.
good 2 or 3 months. Okay,
I'm gaining right now. You see this, guys? When I start working out, I'm gonna be husky. I'm gonna be brolic.
Yeah, he's gonna be looking good.
I almost boxed you in my face.
Sorry, babe. I'm trying to, you know. Anyways, guys, if you guys are wondering where we're going to my uncle's 60th birthday. I can't believe he's actually turned 60. Wow. I'm excited to see my mom, my dad, everybody.
I haven't seen your dad in so long. And every time your dad is around, it's good vibes, you know?
Yeah.
What's wrong with this you?
What is it? What's wrong?
Is it this guy? You're driving beside me and you're honking for what?
Babe, is something wrong with the car?
What's the issue, fam? Papa, sit down. Who's honking? Why? Bro, what? Doesn't matter, there's traffic in front. Why are you honking, bro? I'm about to stop. It must not be us. There's no way they're honking at us. That don't make no sense.
A few moments later.
Over here brings back so many memories. I remember I used to come over here on my motorcycle.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Compensation for that. And the next one for you.
The radio, that scared me. That tripped me out for a second.
I was like, what is this?
Yeah, then my motorcycle coming around that bend when we used to have to come home. When I used to have to come home from work or wherever.
Say you loved it.
I used to come around that bend. Guys, when I used to ride, that bend right there it's so sharp. It's like a full circle. So I used to go on that and lean my knees and my shoes.
I would hear you from home.
Really?
Bro, you know I would hear you from home.
I rub out my shoes on that
bike
bend.
is loud.
That bend was amazing, yo. As a rider, if you're a rider, you know, like twists and turns, those are the most exciting parts of riding. The straights are great because you can run and gun it, but with bends and turns and twists, that's where the fun is at, you know?
Yeah.
Mommy, look at the cross.
Why are they beeping?
It looks like they're talking to each other.
Why are they beeping at you?
They're not beeping at me, they're beeping at each other.
Oh.
They know each other or something. Bro, what's wrong with these guys?
Are you sure?
No way they're beeping at me.
Yo, they're beeping at somebody.
For what? Bro,
Yeah.
I'm not even driving like a turtle, bro. What's the issue?
Is there something wrong with the car?
You're probably driving like a snail then.
Who's driving like a snail?
What is going on? Why are they beeping?
Did you put something on the car, fam?
No, I didn't put nothing on
Don't
the
lie,
car.
you put something on the car.
No, I didn't.
You definitely
Be
put something on the
careful.
car.
Maybe they're
Let
trying
me
to tell
see.
you something.
I'm gonna see right now. Yo, fam, watch it, bro. Yo,
What the hell?
why are these guys beeping like that?
Yo. This is what happens when we come back to this area.
Nah, you put something on.
I
the thing.
didn't.
So why is it beeping like that? Why are these people beeping at?
Probably
I thought you put, you know those
driving.
pranks? You know those pranks where you put like the sign or something on it?
Yeah.
Honk if you're happy or...
Bro, what, man? What's wrong with you guys?
You weren't supposed to turn.
Why?
You thought you were gonna hit him. You and your heavy foot.
What's wrong with these guys, bro? Nah, for real.
Bro. Wait, what happened?
You're an idiot. What was it?
I put a speaker.
You're so dumb, bro.
And I put
I'm
it
so
to bait me
confused.
up.
Like, yo, where's
Why
all
did
this?
you do that?
Where's all this honking coming
Oh my
from?
God,
Like,
that was so funny, guys. You guys have to admit that was funny.
Inside the...
where's
Yeah,
all
it's inside the trunk.
what? The speaker?
speaker.
You're so.
I'm so dumb. I'm so funny. That was so funny, guys. If you liked the video and you enjoyed that little moment, because I sure did, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs
Yeah, I
up.
was like,
Comment
what the
down
hell's
below.
the problem?
Subscribe to the family. That was so funny. Sophie.
Oh, Sophie's so brave, but you're driving like
She
a
is my
turtle.
daughter.
And if you're not driving like a turtle, then you're definitely driving like a snail.
Yeah,
You're
because
so
we're
brave,
taking
child.
forever to get to the party, right? We always have to be the last ones because of you.
Because of who?
You're driving so
Because
slow.
of you. You're the one who took so long to get ready, bro.
No, I didn't. I didn't know what to wear, guys. I have no clue.
How
Like,
did
I have
I
to go
shower
shopping.
last? Finish getting ready before you. You
I was
changed like
folding
5
clothes,
times.
and I didn't know what to
you
wear.
changed like 5 times.
I didn't know what to wear.
It's not about folding
Well,
clothes.
it's kind of hard.
You're folding the
Okay,
clothes that you took off after changing your mind 5 times.
Listen, guys,
That's what you were
it's
folding.
kind of hard. Let me just be straight and honest with you guys why it takes so long. It's because this guy decides to dye my hair green, and it's hard
Oh,
to
we should
find
want to go
clothes.
see Pharaoh.
Don't change the subject now. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and bye.
If it's not too late...
Lo queremos mucho.